This is another soothing sounds alarm clock from OneWorld. It's going up for sale, and this is a quick demonstration video to show that it works. First, I'm going to show that this one has a big crack in the back of the casing. Obviously something hit it pretty hard. And the display, I don't know if it's just my imagination, but the display does look a little distorted, but otherwise working fine. Not sure if that's normal or if that was caused by whatever caused the casing to get cracked. But anyway, here it is going through the different sounds. Power on. If I can remember how to do this. There we go. It's got a volume control here. There's ocean waves, waterfall, night sounds, rain, and back to ocean waves. It's got different alarm sounds as well, like cuckoo clock, an annoying electronic beep, and an old style bell for whom it tolls. And that's it.